Good day, my name is Rosat Ventura at ngayon gagawin ko naman yung Tier 1 appointment. So, nakakonect na ako sa VPN server at ngayon i-spawn natin yung target machine. Antayin lang natin makapag-generate ng IP address para sa target machine. So, ito yung IP address ng target machine natin. So, copy muna natin and i-test natin yung kanilang connection using ping command. So, merong connection. Ayan, sagot na tayo sa mga questions. What does the acronym SQL stand for? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. What is one of the most common type of SQL vulnerabilities? So, SQL injection. What is the 2001 OWASP to top 10 classification for this vulnerability? So, i-search na lang natin. Ito. So, for injection, so ito yung sagot. So, di siya makopy. A03-2021. Ito. So, hindi siya makopy. So, wait lang. A03 dash colon 2021. Dash injection. So, try natin. So, mali. Check natin yung hint and the holds to replace in the OWASP. Right lang. Copy natin and then try natin i-paste. So, yan. So, yun. Tama. What does Nmap report as the service and version that are running on port 80 of the target? So, balik tayo sa terminal. So, using Nmap, nmap-sv-sc and then yung IP. Ito, copy na lang natin. So, antayin lang natin. So, ito yung hinahanap. httpt 2.4.38 Debian. So, i-copy na lang natin. So, submit answer. So, mali. Dapat ata kasama yung Apache. Balik. Ayun. Ito. Copy. And then, paste na lang natin. Submit answer. So, tama. Kasama dapat si Apache. What is the standard port used for the HTTPS protocol? So, search natin. So, port 443. Task 6, what is the folder called in web application terminology? So, the answer is directory. What is the HTTP response code is given for not found error? So, sikat to. So, code 404. GoBuster is one tool used to brute force directories on a web server. What switch do we use with GoBuster to specify we're looking to discover directories and not subdomains? So, dir or dir. So, yan. Then, execute natin. So, kunwari, ito tayo sa home. Ayan, and then dir. So, ito yung mga directories under home with user name reset. So, clear muna natin. Click tayo sa question. What single character can be used to comment out the rest of a line in MySQL? So, hash. Hash. If user input is not handled carefully, it could be interpreted as a comment. Use a comment to log in as admin without knowing the password. What is the first word on the web page written? So, i-copy muna natin yung IP. Wait, nag-clear pala tayo. So, i-copy na lang natin dito. So, i-paste natin. So, ito, yung page. So, try natin yung admin. Kung mapapasok natin. Hindi pwede. Try naman natin si root. And then password root. So, ayaw niya rin. So, gagawin natin is admin, single quotation, and then yung hash symbol. So, ito. So, yung ginagawa natin dito is try natin i-inject si admin as username and then si single quotation para ma-close natin si admin bilang username and then si hash symbol para ma-comment out yung password. So, kahit ilanong ilagay natin ditong password, mapapasok na natin siya. So, try natin pass as password. So, login. So, ayan. So, yung tanong, what is the first word? So, makikita natin na it's congratulations. So, ito yung sagot. So, submit answer. Ayan. Tapos, root flag. So, nasa page na din yung root flag, which is ito. I-copy na lang natin. Then, i-paste. and then submit lang. So, ayun. Successful nating napon si Tier 1 appointment.